Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished exercise 2. The topic is problems involving tangents to the circles. There are 6 questions. We did all questions. Today we are going to start exercise 3. The topic you can see on your screen, points of intersection of two circles. So let's start question number 1. Two circles C1 and C2 have respective equations x square plus y square minus 6x minus 16 equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 18x plus 16y is minus 80 is equals to 0. Show that circle C1 and circle C2 touch at a point P and determine its coordinates. So in order to check whether the two circles touch each other, whether externally or internally, we need to find the center and the radius of both the circles are required. So this is C1 equation, this is C2. Find the center, which is 2g equals to minus 6 and 2f equals to 0 because there is no coefficient of y in equation number 1. So g equals to minus 3, f is equals to 0. Therefore the center, which is minus g minus f, is equals to 3 minus minus plus and 0. This is the center of circle C1. Now find the radius of the circle C1. So the formula of radius is r is equals to, we can say this is r1 g square minus 3 square plus f square, obviously 0 square, minus c. C is the constant term of equation number 1, which is minus 16. So minus minus plus 16. So 16 plus 9 is 25 and square root of 25 is 5. This is radius 1 of circle C1. Now find the center of the circle C2, equation number 2. So 2g equals to minus 18 and 2f equals to 16. G is equals to minus 9 and f is equals to 8. So center minus g minus minus plus 9 minus f minus plus minus 8. This is the center of circle C2. Find the radius, assign the name is R2, which is g square minus 9 square plus f square 8 square minus c. C is the constant term which is minus 80 in equation number 2. So minus minus plus. Nine square is 81. 8 square is 64 plus 80. Okay, sorry for this, there is some problem. So the answer of 81 plus 64 plus 80 is 225. 225. So R2 to 25 root is 15. Now we have to prove that two circles are touching each other. First find the center of both the circles. CC, center, by using distance formula. So center C1 is 30 and C2 is 9 minus 8. So 9 minus 3 square plus minus 8 minus 0 square. 9 minus 3 is 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. 64 plus 36 is 100. 100 root is 10. Now we apply the theory that if the sum of the radii and the distance between the centers are equal, then the circles touch externally. And if the difference between the radii and the distance between the centers are equal, then the circles touch internally. So obviously you can see that R2 minus R1 equals to C1 and C2 distance between both the centers of the circles. R2 we have find 15, R1 we have find 5, CC distance we have find 10. 15 minus 5 is 10, which is equals to 10. Hence you can say circles touches internally. Proved. So this is very important. You have to say that if two circles, if the requirement is show that the circles are touches each other, so obviously circle touches whether externally or internally. Now question is not complete. The next requirement is to find the coordinates of this point where two circles touches. Very easy. Write the equation of both the circles C1 and C2 again. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 16 is equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 18x plus 16y minus 80 is equals to 0. Subtract these two equations. Cancel. 18 minus 6 is 12x and minus 16y, and 80 minus 16 is plus 64 is equals to 0. You can simplify this equation, divide the whole equation by 4. So 4 3s are 12x, 4 4s are 16y, 4 16s is 64. So this is linear equation. Assign the name of this equation is equation number 1. Now put this equation in any one of the given equation of circles. So I am putting it in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x square. So before okay, wait. So first make the subject x or y. So 3x is equals to 4y minus 16, and x is equals to 4y minus 16 upon 3. This is the equation number 1, and put this equation in any one of the given equation of the circle. So I am putting it in equation number 1. Means equation of the circle. So what is the equation of circle? Two equations I am putting in this equation. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 16 is equals to 0. So x we obtained 4y minus 16 upon 3 whole square plus y square minus 6, x is 4y minus 16 upon 3 minus 16 is equals to 0. Simplify this equation and make this equation to the quadratic equation of one variable. Taking common from 4y minus 16, so 4 y minus 4 upon 3 whole square y square 3 2s are 6 minus 2 4y minus 16 is equals to 0. 4 square is 16 and y minus 4 whole square is y square minus 8y plus 16 upon 3 square is 9 plus y square. Minus 2 into 4y is minus 8y. Minus 2 into minus 16 is plus 32. Minus 16 is equals to 0. So 16 y square minus 8y plus 16 upon 9 plus y square minus 8y 32 minus 16 is plus 16 is equals to 0. Now taking the LCM 9 for the whole equation. So 16 y square 16 8s are 128y 16 16s are 256 9y square 9 8s are 72y and 16 9s are 144 is equals to 0. Sixteen y square plus 9y square is 25y square. 128 and 72y is 200y. 144 and 256 is 400 and 9 into 0 is 0. Taking 25 common from the whole equation, so 25 ones are 25 and 25 8s are 200 and 25 16s are 400 0. Y square minus 8y plus 16 can be write y minus 4 whole square is equals to 0 and this is y minus 4 is equals to 0. This is y is equals to 4. Put this y is equals to 4 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 4y minus 16 upon 3. X is equals to 4y minus 16 upon 3. 4y, y is 4 minus 16 upon 3. 4 for the 16 minus 16 upon 3. 16 cancel, 0 upon 3 is 0. Hence coordinates of P are x is 0, y is 4. This is the requirement of question. So in this question there are two parts. One is to prove that the two circles are touches, and the second is to find the point where the two circles are touching each other. Show that C1 and C2 touch at a point P and determine its coordinates. So coordinates of P are 0, 4. So very interesting question and very easy according to examination point of view. See another interesting question. The circle C1 has equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0. The circle C2 has equation x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus k is equals to 0, where k is a constant. Given that C1 and C2 have exactly two common points, excuse me, two common points, determine the range of possible values of k. So this is very important. I am giving you some important lines. First I want to write, wait, two circles with which have exactly two common points, then we have the difference between the radii of both the circle less than and equals to the difference between the center of the circle less than equals to the addition of the radius of the circles. Key point, very important point. Now, in order to find the range of values of k, first find the radius and center of both the circles. So C1 2g equals to minus 4 to f is equals to minus 4, g is equals to minus 2, f is equals to minus 2. Hence the center of circle C1 is minus plus 2 minus plus 2. Now the radius R1, radius formula is g square minus 2 square plus f square minus 2 square minus c. What is the constant term of circle C1? Plus 6. So plus minus 6. Four plus 4 minus 6. 4 plus 4 8, 8 minus 6 is root 2. Next, find the center of second circle. So for C2 we have to find 2g What is the value of 2g in C2? Minus 10 and minus 10. 2g is minus 10 given, and 2f is also given minus 10. So g is equals to minus 5, f is equals to minus 5. So minus g minus f is equals to 5 comma 5. This is center C2, and radius R2 is g square minus 5 square plus f square minus 5 square minus c. What is the constant from c? It is k, so minus k, root 5 square 25 plus 25 minus k. 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 minus k. This is the value of R2. Now write down the formula again. Two circles have exactly common points, which always have R1 minus R2 less than equals to C1 C2 distance and less than equals to R1 plus R2. So what is R1? Obviously R1 is smaller, root 2, and R2 is bigger, so we have to put bigger value. So 50, and radius is always positive quantity. 50 minus k root and minus R2. R2 is minus 2. Okay. C1 C2, very easy. What is C1? C1 22 and C2 55. So I am finding over here C1 C2 5 minus 2 square plus 5 minus 2 square root. So 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18 root, and 18 root is 3 root 2. So C1 C2 is 3 root 2. R1 is 50 minus k. I am repeating again, no matter you write R1 is 50 minus k and R2 is root 2, no matter, nothing is difference, root 2. So this is the inequality. Now break this inequality from middle. So 50 minus k root minus root 2 is less than 3 root 2. And 3 root 2 is less than 50 minus k plus root 2. So 50 minus k less than 3 root 2 and minus root 2 shift over here, it is root 2. So 50 minus k, 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 4 root 2. Squaring on both sides, 50 minus k less than 4 square is 16, 16 and root 2 square is 2. 50 minus k, 16 2 is 32 and 50 minus 32 is less than k, and 50 minus 32 is 18. So first inequality is 18 less than k. Next, 3 root 2 minus root 2, 50 minus k. 3 root 2 minus root 2 is 2 root 2 less than 50 minus k. 2 root 2 square 4 and 2 root 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8 and root 50 minus k whole square is 50 minus k. Shift minus k over here and shift 8 over there. 50 minus 8 is 42. Hence, our range of values of k, you can see both the values, both the range, k is greater than 18, k is less than 42. Very important question, very important question according to examination point of view. So this is question number 2. And this is our today's class where we did 2 questions of exercise 3. How many questions are left? I am seeing question number 3. Question number 2. 3, question number 4, 5 and 6. No issue. I will finish remaining question of exercise 3 in next 2 lectures. So students, kindly do work hard and do practice more and more and more in order to get grip of this topic. And I request all of you, kindly do subscribe my channel. And whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.